Good Monday morning, everyone. I hope y'all had a restful weekend. I am so excited that y'all will be sharing your biography presentation starting today. This week will look much different from the usual weeks. So it is extremely important that you check carefully the PowerPoint class schedule daily because each day is going to be different and different times. There is no Zoom math today, so check what is taking place for that. Um, we will do biography presentations, and we will also have two groups meeting with fifth grade teachers today for an overview of fifth grade and a question answer session. So you should have received a Zoom invitation for the fifth grade presentation of the teachers. So make sure you look closely at those and also make sure your friends are also viewing these daily and listening to the morning messages. Okay, thanks, and we'll see you shortly.